All right, let's take a look at number 15. Okay, the first year of a charity walk has attendance of 500 people. Then it grows at 5% each year. You're writing an exponential function. Remember the exponential function? Y equals a naught, parentheses, okay, b to the x. But take a look. This is a growth equation, all right? This is a growth equation. Do you see that? It says growth. So we can modify this to be the 1 plus, because it's a growth, right? Plus the R value, which is this 5%, okay? All right, so let's take a look. This 500 per people, it says first year, so this is your A0. So A0 equals to 500. It says it's a growth, so we already have that. And it says it right here, 5%. 5% in decimal form, it is 0.05. Okay, so let's plug it in. Y is equal to, here we have 500. Then we put a parentheses, 1 plus 0.05, 0.05 to the x power. So you can write this as y is equal to 500, parentheses 1.05 to the x power. This would be the exponential function. Here it says how many people will attend in its 10th year. Well, 10th year means let x be equal to 10. So y is equal to 500, parentheses 1.05 to the exponent of 10. Make your life easy and just plug it into decimals, okay? So in decimals, I put in that 500. I put a parentheses, 1.05. I close the parentheses, and I bring it to the power of 10. Okay, that becomes 8.14. Okay, 0.4. So you can just round it up to 815. Okay, so y is approximately 815. Okay, again, I'm rounding it up. It's 814.447. Round it up to the nearest person. Okay, 815 people attended at the 10th year.